We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, or I guess you could call it a word. So this is a word that is commonly used, especially in video games. It means to own, although it does not mean to own only in a possessive way, in a possessive sense, but instead more than owning, to really dominate or control a game, an object, or a situation. But how do you say it then? Well, PONE. Just pretend there is a P before own, as in to own something. PONE. Pretty straightforward once you know PONE. And now you know how to say it and what it means. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Some urban dictionary things here. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.